Hi students, good morning. In exercise 7.5, question number 14, we are going to discussing 3x minus 1 by x plus 2 whole square dx. This is proper fraction. 3x minus 1 by x plus 2 whole square equal to, tell me the partial fraction, a by x plus 2 plus b by x plus 2 whole square. Numerator, tell me the numerator, 3x minus 1 equal to a into x plus 2 plus b into b, this much only, because LCM x plus 2 whole square. Understand this step? See, this part is 3x minus 1 by x plus 2 whole square equal to LCM x plus 2 whole square. A into x plus 2 plus b. The numerator part 3x minus 1 equal to a into x plus 2 plus b. Put x is equal to minus 2. Then a will get cancelled, b will get. 3 into minus 2, minus 6, minus 1, 0 plus b. So b equal to minus 7. And constant or coefficient or constant. Tell me the constant. Constant. Here minus 1. Here 2a plus b. B substitute here. Minus 1 equal to 2a plus b is equal to minus 7. Therefore 2a equal to 7 minus 1, 6. So a equal to 3. A equal to 3. Right? From 1, 3x minus 1 by x plus 2 whole square equal to a 3 by x plus 2 plus b minus 7 by x plus 2 whole square. Okay? Now integration 3x minus 1 by x plus 2 whole square dx equal to integration of 3 by x plus 2 dx minus 7 1 by x plus 2 whole square dx. This we can find integration 1 by x plus 2 integration is log of x plus 2. How about this? Yes, x plus 2 whole power minus 2 dx, exponential form. And this differentiation is here. F of x whole power n into f dash x plus 2 differentiation is 1. Okay, tell me 3 into log of x plus 2 minus 7 x plus 2 whole power minus 2 plus 1 minus 1 by minus 1 plus c. So 3 into log of x plus 2 plus 7 by x plus 2 plus c. Next, question number 15. Integration 1 by x power 4 minus 1 dx. This problem I can solve. This partial fraction. This is 1 by x power 4 minus 1 equal to 1 by x square whole square minus 1. Correct? A square minus b square equal to a plus b. X square plus 1 into x square minus 1. Yes. Again 1 by x square plus 1. This is again x square minus 1 equal to x minus 1. X minus 1 into x plus 1. X minus 1 into x plus 1. These are partial fractions. 1 by x square plus 1. This is irreducible factor. This is non-repeated linear factor. Yes. Tell me the partial fractions. A by This is ax plus b by x square plus 1 plus c by x minus 1 plus d by x plus 1. This is 1 by x power 4 minus 1 equation. Tell me the LCM here. X squared plus 1 into x minus 1 into x plus 1. Ax plus b into x minus 1 into x plus 1 plus c into, this is gone, these two are there, x squared plus 1 into x plus 1 plus d into this is x squared plus 1 into x minus 1. One numerator, consider the numerator here. The numerator is what? Left side is 1. Ax plus b into x minus 1 into x plus 1 plus c into x squared plus 1 into x plus 1 plus d into x squared plus 1 into x minus 1. Put x is equal to 1. Then left side is 1. Right side 1 minus 1 0. This is c. 1 plus 1 2. 1 plus 1 2 plus this is 1 minus 1 0. So c equal to 1 by 4. 1 by 4. Next, put x is equal to minus 1. This side this 0 derivate. Left side is 1 0 plus 0 plus d into x equal minus 1 whole square 1 plus 1 2 minus 1 minus 2. Therefore d equal to minus 1 by 4. Yes. Now let's find a and b. To get a and b, first coefficient of x squared consider. Coefficient of x squared. Tell me left side coefficient of x square is 0. No terms in the coefficient of x square left side. Right side by multiplying this into this. Oh sorry. 1. This is x and x square and x cube, that is x cube coefficient. Yes. Coefficient of x cube. Left side is 0. Right side is x. How much you get? Ax cube. What is the coefficient of x cube is a. Next, x square and x cube. Coefficient of x cube is c. A plus c. Here d. A plus c plus d equal to 0. We got c and d, then a will get. So 0 equal to a plus c is equal to 1 by 4. D is equal to minus 1 by 4. Therefore a equal to 0. A equal to 0. Next b we want. To get b, constant consider. Constant. Tell me the constant here. This one if you multiply anything you will get x variable only. This into this variable. This into this constant. Minus b into 1 minus b. So constant. So minus b. Constant left side is 1. Right side is minus b. Are you following? B into minus 1 minus b. Minus b into 1 minus b. Understood? Next. Here constant c into 1 c into 1 c. Here constant minus b. Okay. Minus b 1 equal to minus b plus c. 1 by 4 d minus 1 by 4. Okay, so b transpose that side. B transpose that side. 1 transpose this side. Minus 1 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 is 1 by 2. Minus 1 plus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2. B is 1 by 2. From 1 this is 1. Tell me 1 by x power 4 minus 1 equal to ax plus b. A is 0 plus b is 1 by 2 by x square plus 1 plus c 1 by 4 by x minus 1 plus d minus 1 by 4 by x plus 1. Integration of 1 by x power 4 minus 1 dx equal to 1 by 2 1 by x square plus 1 dx plus 1 by 4 1 by x minus 1 dx minus 1 by 4 1 by x plus 1 dx. 1 by 2 integration of 1 by x square plus 1 dx integration is tan inverse x plus 1 by 4 1 by x plus 1 integration log of x minus 1 minus 1 by 4 log of x plus 1. This we can take common. 1 by 2 tan inverse x plus 1 by 4 take common. Log m minus log n log of m by n x minus 1 by x plus 1 plus c. Integration 1 by x into x power n plus 1 dx. This is the most important question. If this type of question comes like this, integration 1 by x into x power n minus 1 dx or 1 minus x power n or 1 plus x power n like this. This type of question, if they let x power n equal to t, x power n equal to t, let x power n equal to t. X power n differentiation, after differentiation when you substitute x power n differentiation is n into x power n minus 1 into x differentiation with respect of t dx by dt. T differentiation with respect of t is 1, right? dx equal to dt by n into x power n minus 1. Substituting that, integration of dx by x into x power n plus 1. If n not there, n is 1, we can make partial fraction. If n is 2 also, we can make partial fraction. But more than 2, 3, 4 if there, making partial fraction very difficult. Okay? In such case, what to do? This power, if it is more than 2, the power, if x cube, x power 4, x power 5 there, let x power 5 equal d. If x power 4 is there, let x power 4 equal d. If x power n is there, x power n equal to d. Okay? And differentiation, that you substitute here. Dx is equal to dt by n into x power n minus 1. Here x into x power n plus 1. Change the variable because in terms of t is variable x power n minus 1, x power 1, x into x power n plus 1. So 1 by n, this is dt. So this also we should convert in terms of t only. X power n is equal to t. What about x? Sorry, this is x power n. X power n is x power n equal to t. T into t plus 1. See, we got the non-repeated linear factor. Then we can make partial fraction easily. Here not easy because power n we don't know. Okay, here power is 1, so not repeated linear factor. How we made? By taking x power n equal to t. That's why which is very important. Okay. Compulsory question, maybe competitive or in theory. Definitely the question will ask. Competitive, they may ask number here, x power 6, x power 7 like that. Okay. 1 by n integration. Tell me partial fraction here. A by t plus b by t plus 1 into dt. Now I am using shortcut to get a and b. Tell me a is equal to accept this factor. When this become a 0, t is equal to 0. I accept this remaining part, numerator is 1. 1 by t 0 plus 1 1, so a is 1. B, when it becomes 0 here, minus 1. Accept this factor 1 by, numerator is 1 by minus 1 equal to minus 1. Substitute in that, integration of dx by x into x power n plus 1 equal to 1 by n, integration of a 1 by d plus b minus 1 by d plus 1 dt. 1 by n, integration of 1 by d is log d. 1 by d plus 1 integration log of d plus 1 plus 1 by n log of m minus log of n equal to log of m by n, t by t plus 1 plus 1 by n log of t x power n by x power n plus 1 plus. This is most important. If x power 6 is there, let x power 6 equal to t. You will get your answer 1 by 6 x power 6 by x power 6 plus 1. Next, the question number 17. Integration cos x dx divided by 1 minus sin x into 2 minus sin x. 2 minus sin x. This type of questions here. Question number 23rd. Integration dx by x into x squared plus 1 dx. This is the same or not? It look like same or not? What is the n value? 2. Substitute here. You will get answer 1 by 2. 1 by 2 log of x squared by x squared plus 1. Simplify. 1 by 2 log x squared minus 1 by 2 log of x squared plus 1. This comes here, 2 get cancelled, 2 log x by 2 get cancelled, minus 1 by 2 log of x squared plus 1. See, the answer is log x minus 1 by 2 log of x squared plus 1. Option A is correct. Understood? Question number 23. Okay? Next. Here, you see which function having derivative in the numerator? Sin x. Sin x derivative is in the numerator. So let which having derivative in the numerator, that one consider as t. So sin x equal to t. Sin x differentiation cos x. X differentiation with respect of t, dx by dt. T differentiation with respect of t is 1. Cos x dx equal to dt. So integration of cos x dx by 1 minus sin x into 2 minus sin x equal to cos x dx equal to dt. 1 minus sin x equal to 1 minus t. 2 minus sin x equal to 2 minus t. 1 minus t, 2 minus t. This is non-repeated linear factor. Tell the partial fraction. A by 1 minus t plus b by 2 minus t. Can I direct? A. To get A, when it becomes 0, 1. T is equal to 1. Substitute here. 1 by 2 minus 1, 1. So A is 1. 1 by 1 minus t. After getting the concept, you write directly also. B. 2 minus t. When it becomes 0, 2. Accept this factor. 1 by 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. So minus 1 is D. 1 minus t. Differentiation is minus 1. With respect of t. Minus 1. Minus 1 is there in the numerator? No. So multiply by minus. So minus 1 by 1 minus t dt. Minus plus minus 1 by 2 minus t dt. Tell me this differentiation 1 minus t differentiation is there numerator. So the integration of that is minus log of 1 minus t plus 2 minus t differentiation is minus 1 with respect of t. So this differentiation is there here. Then integration is log of denominator. So log of 2 minus t plus log m minus log n equal to log of m by n. 2 minus t by 1 minus t plus. So log of 2 minus t is equal to sin x by 1 minus sin x plus. Question number 18. Integration of x square plus 1 into x square plus 2 by x square plus 3 into x square plus 4 dx. This is proper or improper? Improper. Okay. Now, by multiplying, we'll get power 4. X power 4 will get degree of numerator and degree of denominator. Okay. Now I am making short form. See, just part, not integration part. Only this part. I am considering x square plus 1 by x square plus 1 into x square plus 2. By x square plus 3 into x square plus 4. This is okay. By multiplying we get x power 4. Okay. Instead of that, now I am going to short way method. What is that is let, because in this each and every factor x square term will be there. So I am taking let x square equal to t. Then the 2 power it will be decreasing as a 1. Understood? Not any integration. Not any integration. Be careful here. Not any integration. Why? Because if you take integration, again you should apply differentiation. X square differentiation is 2x. That's why I am not taking this part in integration outside. This part, this fraction I have written outside x square equal to t. Only for simplification purpose. To make short form. Okay. When you take x square equal to t, this becoming t plus 1, which is equal to tell me t plus 1 into t plus 2 by t plus 3 into t plus 4. See, here degree is 4, here degree becoming 2. T into t is square. The degree power decreases or not? Yes. How? By taking x square equal to t. Okay? Right. Now multiply this t square, t into t square plus 2t plus 1, 3t plus 2 by this is also t square plus 4t plus 3t, 7t plus 2. This is the improper. Is it improper? Improper. If it is improper, make it proper. Improper fraction. Now make it proper by using division algorithm. Yes, t square plus 3t plus 2. Okay, this dividend t square plus 7t plus 12, which is divided by this. Correct? No, divided by. Yes. Now t square plus 7t plus 2, right? T square into 1 equal to t square plus 7t plus 12. Change the sign, get cancelled. 3t minus 7t minus 4t, 2 minus 12 minus 10. This power is 1. This power is 2. Means proper or improper? Proper. So this is equal to, which is equal to, tell me, q of x plus r of x by g of x. Q is 1 plus r. Minus take common here. 4t plus 10 divided by this is t square plus 7t plus 12. Okay. This is, which is equal to x square plus 1 into x square plus 2 by x square plus 3 into x square plus 4 equal to, tell me, this is equal to 1 minus 4t plus 10 divided by t square plus 7t plus 12 equal to product of two factors t plus 3 into t plus 4. This is again we can write as a proper fraction. This we can make partial fraction. In the partial fraction, a by t plus 3 plus b by t plus 4. Right? A, to get a, when it becomes 0, minus this. Except this, put x is equal to minus 3 here. 4 into minus 3, minus 12 plus 10, minus 3 plus 4, 1 equal to minus 2. B, t is equal to minus 4, except this, minus 4 4 is 16 plus 10, minus 4 plus 3, minus 1. Minus 6 by minus 1 equal to 6. Okay, so 1 minus a minus 2 by t plus 3, b 6 by t plus 4. Change the variable now. 1 minus plus 2 by t, where t is x square, plus 3 minus 6 by x square plus 4. Now apply integration. Integration of x square plus 1, x square plus 2 by x square plus 3, x square plus 4 dx equal integration of 1 plus 2 by x square plus 3